I don't know. Who's next?
The Toney brothers.
The Toney brothers. Mm-hmm. Let me tell you, if you've never seen the Toney brothers after this, you're going to say that you've seen them. And I just figured that out all by myself. I'm a whole lot smarter than I look. But the Toney brothers have been around since 1995, and they are big boys. And the nice thing about it, if their bus breaks down, they can just push it anywhere they want to. You can see them on Daystar. It's Daystar, right? Television there in Texas. Daystar, and they travel, I think it's over 260 days a year.
That's a lot of days.
And that's a lot of days, especially if you're traveling that much. They just signed a recording contract here in North Carolina with Sun Sound, and they're just doing a wonderful job. Yeah. I know back when I was with the Florida Boys, we'd play with the Toney brothers out in Texas, and if you ever go out to eat with them, make sure they pick up the bill. But they're wonderful, and you're going to love them. So make welcome
the Toney brothers.
Come on.
Saints are always smiling, saying, how do you do? Oh, it's a great, great morning. Your first day in heaven when you realize your worry days are through. You'll be glad you're not idle. Took time to read your Bible. It's a great morning for you.
I had a dream and I confess I hated to awake.
He dreamt he saw an angel at the great pearly gate.
St. Peter said, why, hello there, where have you been?
I've got your mansion ready now, so come right on in.
And then he rang for the angel to act as his guide.
He spread his wings a time or two and learned how to fly. Oh, it's a great, great morning, your first day in heaven when you stroll down the Golden Avenue. There are mansions left and right, and you thrill at every side, and the saints are always smiling, saying, how do you do? Oh, it's a great, great morning, your first day in heaven when you realize your working days are through. You'll be glad you are not idle, took time to read the Bible. It's a great morning, a great morning. What a happy day, happy Oh, how sweet the words, child, you're forgiven. He spoke to my soul. That night I knelt in prayer. It's hard to believe he would take my tattered garment and give me a robe of solid white to wear. How deep is the sea where my sins have all been buried? I don't want to be reminded of the one I was before. What God has forgiven, He has also forgotten, and they'll never be remembered against me anymore. My mind can hardly fathom this world's vast dimensions. Time and space have always marveled me. So I could not start to guess how far the east is from the west, but that's how far my sins have been removed from me. How deep is the sea where my sins have all been buried? I don't want to be reminded of the one I was before. What God has forgiven, He words he ever said were, I forgive. This sinner's sin was wiped away and I could live. Oh, I like the part where he told about a mansion he would give. But the sweetest words he ever said were, I forgive.
Well, if you're tired of living with the wrong that you have done, just come on home to Jesus. You know he's the cleansing one.
In his arms he'll hold you and you'll just begin to live. When you hear him gently whisper, I forgive. Oh, the sweetest words he ever said were, I forgive. This sinner's sin was wiped away and I could live. Oh, I like the part where he told about a mansion he would give. But the sweetest words he ever said were, I forgive. Oh, the sweetest words he ever said were, I forgive. This sinner's sin was wiped away and I could live. Oh, I like the part where he told about a mansion he would give. But the sweetest words he ever said were, I forgive. Oh, I like the part where he told about a mansion he would give. But the sweetest words he ever said were, I forgive.
When I think of how he came so far from glory, he came to dwell among the lowly, such as I. Suffer shame and such disgrace on Mount Calvary, take my place. And so I ask myself this question: who am I? Who am I that he would pray, not my will, thine, Lord? The answer I may never know, why he ever loved me so, that to an old rugged cross he still would go. For who am I?
He came to me. He came to me. And when I could not come to where he was, he came to me. Oh, and that's why, you see, that's why he died. to where he was. He came to me.
The Toney brothers. Yes. Wonderful job, guys. The Toney brothers. Now, how many of y'all had never heard the Toney brothers before? They just sang several songs. Turn the sound up a little bit. Didn't they do a wonderful job?
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Incredible.
I just don't understand, though, if you're 6'8", why do you still want to wear cowboy boots? I get a crick in my neck every time I talk to them. Listen, who is going to be coming out next?